I've already taken down some of the hair, as you can see them here. I've already taken them out. See the extensions. So what I do is that I just trim off the extension, then work my way through my hair to detangle the locks. So I'm just going to be showing you that now. Once I still want to make use of this extension, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be making sure that I still have these rough edges at the end here, so that once I want to make use of the extension again, I'll be able to lock it to my hair. So I make sure I have this at the mouth. So I'm just going to start detangling my hair. This is a 0.5mm hook. I got this when I was trying to relock the hair. It has a mouth here, and the mouth got broken the day I was doing the relocking process. So I'm just going to be making use of the needle like that, and I'm going to use it to detangle my hair. That's the lock. So I'm just going to be working myself from the bottom, that's from the tip of the hair to the root. So that's what you see me do. Slow and steady. So these are the extensions, the hair extensions, not my hair. These ones are extensions. So now I have my hair. This is a little difficult, but it's better than trimming off the hair. Imagine if I trim off my hair, I won't be having this. My hair should be something like here, you can see, but losing it, I still have my hair the length it was before I locked it. So have you ever locked your hair? Are you on locks now? How long have you had your locks? Mine was just 3 months, and today I'm taking it down so that I can make another hairstyle. I don't even know if I'll be making another hairstyle or if I'll just cut off the hair. I don't know. But what I'm going to be doing today is that once I finish taking down these locks, I'm going to wash my hair and I'm going to be dyeing it. I'm going to be adding a black dye to the hair so that my hair will be very dark in color and me, I'll be very fair. It is beautifully detangled. I still have my hair intact. You can see the only thing that I know this lock did to my edges was it kind of break my edges. You can see here I don't have hair here anymore, so it's break my edges so well. I'm going to be locking my hair again, but not soon. Not anytime soon. You can see I've lost some from the back, these ones, and this one I just showed you now. So I'm just going to be doing that one after the other. So I'll be right back. So guys, I've finished taking down the locks. You can see how my hair is. So what I'm going to be doing now is that I want to use this shampoo dye. This is a Dex black hair shampoo. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to mix one first. Then if it's not enough, I'll now mix the another one. This one is only for enough for my hair. What is good? Alright, I have something mixed now. Hi. So that's that one, thank you. I don't need gloves, guys. I don't need gloves. I don't need gloves. So I'm going to wear the gloves. What's that? I got it. This is nice for Kushigo. This one is beautiful. Yeah, you want to one. Like how this one is. Why is it the way you want to do? It's your hand somehow. You don't have to look at this. Just use it one hand. This one, so. I need all the photos that I just taken. I don't touch a single hand. So God, you have to. Have you not seen any? I have to do this before now. Yeah, just now. Can I touch your hand? going to put in this.
I see. There we go.
She started to work.
Wow. Why are you like that? Some of this thing. Golden. What do you want to die? I see. Hey, go watch it. That's inside. Yes. Put it down here. Yeah.
So now I'm going to leave it for like 15 minutes. I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes and I'll go and wash it. There's black there. So guys, it has reached up to 30 minutes. So this is the hair. Still wet, but I'm going to go wash it off now. So let me quickly wash it off, apply the hair cream and sit down. I don't want to touch it, I want to go and wash my hair. So let me wash my hair. So I've washed out my hair. You can see my hair is kind of long. It's long, just that shrinkage is shrinking. Shrinkage is really disturbing the hair. You can see and it's breaking off. I don't blame it. So I'm going to be adding my hair grease to my hair, and I'm going to be combing out my hair. Now this is where the work is. Now this is where the work is in combing this hair. Now this is going to take me a lot of time. I can't be videoing it, so I'll see you when I finish combing the hair. So after combing it, you can see I have so many breakage from my hair, but I can see the small hair on my body here. So this is my hair now. You can see I still have it. My hair is long, my hair is long. Just that, you know, natural hair and their way, our 4C natural hair, and the texture. I don't even know the density of my hair. I don't even know. What I know is that it's a 4C hair type. The rest, I don't know things about hair. So this is my hair now. I noticed that I didn't dye hair very well. I can still see a little of golden here, but other places is very dark, and I love that. So I'm back to my natural hair. No more locks for now. How do I look now? Do I look pretty?